Hi everyone, this is a video tutorial for paper flower template number M7. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is to trace and cut out 5 petals, 1 circle and the base, and for the flower center you need to cut out 2 pieces. First, start by making the center cut. Find the center and make the center cut about 2.5 inches. Next, what you need to do is to glue the ends together, cross over the 2 flaps. Next, what you need to do is to glue your petal onto the base. Use the edge as your guide. Now glue your circle center on. And with your 2-piece center, glue it together. Kind of cross each other like this. Curl it a bit. Place some glue in the back. Now you have a beautiful flower.